India has imposed new restrictions on Bangladeshi exports to northeast India and beyond. The move, announced on Saturday by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade, appears to be a strong response to Dhaka's continued non-tariff barriers on Indian goods. While essential items like fish, LPG, edible oil, and crushed stone are exempt, a broad list of Bangladeshi products will now face curbs. These include ready-made garments, plastic goods, wooden furniture, beverages, snacks, and cotton yarn. Exports through land custom stations and integrated checkposts in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram are restricted. In addition, ports of Changrabandha and Fulbari in North Bengal are also covered under the new rules. Delhi's message is clear. This is about ensuring fairness. India had allowed seamless export access to Bangladeshi goods, but Bangladesh continued to restrict Indian exports, especially into the northeast, despite repeated diplomatic engagements. A recent remark by Bangladesh's interim chief Muhammad Yunus in Beijing, calling Dhaka the only guardian of the ocean for northeast India, may have further soured relations. India sees such comments along with restrictive policies as undermining industrial growth in the northeast. Officials believe that the northeast faces a triple challenge: excessive transit fees, limited market access, and a one-sided trade setup. While Bangladeshi goods enjoy open access, Indian manufacturers, especially in the northeast, are confined to agricultural exports. By targeting items that can be locally produced, India aims to protect and boost local manufacturing. The new port restrictions are expected to curb unhealthy dependencies and level the playing field for Indian businesses. Ready-made garments in particular will now be allowed only through the Kolkata and Nhava Sheva seaports. Delhi says this is not a blanket ban, but a strategic move. The list of restricted items will be reviewed periodically, aligning with India's broader push for equitable growth in the northeast under various development schemes.
कल हम लोग को इंडियन गवर्नमेंट से जो जीडीएफ से जो नोटिफिकेशन मिला है उसमें हम लोग बहुत खुश है, क्योंकि जो बंद किया है आइटम हम लोग का मतलब कपड़ा का टुकड़ा और टूलो ये सब बंद कर दिया है, इससे हम लोग बहुत खुश है। क्यों खुश है? क्योंकि लेकिन इंडियन और बांग्लादेश में जो चल रहा है वो तो अच्छा नहीं है। बिजनेस चल रहा है लेकिन देश का लिए तो अच्छा नहीं है ये सब।
आपका तो नुकसान होगा, आप बिजनेसमैन।
लेकिन बिजनेसमैन है ठीक, फिर भी बांग्लादेश से तो हम लोग का रिलेशन अच्छा नहीं है अभी। इसमें से यूनिस सरकार जब से है तब से तो ठीक ही नहीं है, एकदम ठीक नहीं है।
तो आप लोग का नुकसान होगा तो देश के लिए क्या नुकसान भी?
देश का थोड़ा सा तो नुकसान, अर्थनीति तो थोड़ा सा होगा ही नुकसान।
उससे आप लोग को इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा?
नहीं, हम लोग का पड़ेगा लेकिन उतना ज्यादा नहीं, बांग्लादेश से उतना ज्यादा है नहीं।
देश आगे या बिजनेस आगे?
देश आगे, बिजनेस बाद में, देश आगे।